presentation. Nakita ni Lira kung paano pinumbinsin ni Aaron ang kliyente gamit lamang ang pananalita, titig at kumpiyansa para ito'y isinilang upang mamuno. Matapos ang meeting, nagalok ang kliyente ng Becker. Sumama si Lira bilang assistant pero hindi na niya akalain magiging sentro siya ng usapan.
I love it.
Beautiful.
Tanong naman at ang kliyente habang meeting.
Got to get this woman a real grill.
Even though she does really good work with this one.
Good job, honey. Kiss.
Ay, siguro inasal na also.
Yes, no, no, no. The store, huh?